Hello, I'm Colton from the Tutorial Center. Today I'll be going over how to break down your syllabus. This is a list of 10 categories to look for on your syllabus. Before we get started, I'd like to make a note that these 10 categories do not cover everything that's important in your syllabus, and I'd highly suggest that you read through the entire syllabus. So first, the 10 categories that you should look for on your syllabus are your instructor's office hours, your instructor's contact/lecture information, so how to contact them and when their lectures are being held, your teacher's cheating policy, the weight of assignments, how much each assignment affects your grade, and we'll go over that a little bit more later. Your drop dates, when you can drop the class and how it will affect you. The time commitment of the class, so how many hours a week you'll be spending on the class. Assignment dates, certain dates that are important for assignments. The required text, such as your textbook, your teacher's late work policy, and SLOW is student learning objectives, which is stuff that you'll be learning once you complete the class. So I'll go over of how to access your syllabus right now. So I'm going to scroll to the left, and once you get to your Canvas page, if you don't know how to work Canvas, that's totally okay. We have another video on that, but once you get to Canvas, you can go to your course that you want to access. Once you're at your course, they'll usually have syllabus on the left side. If not, it'll be in modules. You can click on syllabus. It'll take you to this page, and there's a link to click on. And then your syllabus will pop up. Every syllabus is different, but here's an example syllabus for the Tutorial Center. So as you can see, your instructor name and their contact information, such as their email, their Zoom link, the course description, that would be your student learning objectives, so kind of the stuff you'll be learning. Required textbook, there's none. Communication policy, participation and attendance, accommodations, plagiarism. Oh, and here's the student learning objectives or outcomes that I was talking about. And then course objectives. And then I'll show you another syllabus because every syllabus is different. So another example of syllabus is right here. As you can see, it's formatted a lot differently. The class email, course objectives, required text. And then here's what I wanted to show you was the weight of assignments. You can see that the online discussions are worth 20%, projects are worth 30%, midterm exams are 20, and final exams are worth 30. So that's just another thing to look out for. And I'll scroll back to the first page. So this is a list of 10 things to look out for when you're going through your syllabus. These are helpful to me. They aren't everything. I'd highly suggest going through all of them. Thank you so much for watching.